In this video, we're going to talk about how to use the Heron's formula to find the area of a triangle. We already have a triangle on the screen, so let's jump into solving it. I'll write out solution here. Now, before we even solve anything, I would like you to know the Heron's formula. The Heron's formula is simply saying the area is equal to square root of s, open bracket, s minus a, and then another bracket again, s minus b, and then another bracket, s minus c, and then I close the bracket, where s is the sum of a, b, c divided by 2. Now, the a, b, and c that you see here are simply sides of the triangle. So I could just say here is a, here is b, here is c. It doesn't matter how I name them, as long as each side has a, b, or c. So to start off, I'll calculate my value of s. For s, I'll say s is equal to, my value of a here is 4. So here will be 4 plus, my value of b here is 7. Here will be 7 plus, my value of c here is 5. Here will be 5 divided by 2. So that this is equal to 4 plus 7 plus 5 is 16 divided by 2. 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. Now that I've got to my value of x, I can now plug everything into the main equation. So that I'll say a is equal to square root of, you have s here, so here is 8, open brackets, 8 minus the value of a from here is 4. So 8 minus 4 times 8 again, minus the value of b is 7. So here is 7, open brackets, 8 minus the value of c is 5. So here is 5. I'll deal with the brackets so that my area is equal to square root of 8, open brackets, 8 minus 4 is 4. 8 minus 7 is 1. 8 minus 5 is 3. And then this is equal to square root of 8 times 4 times 1 times 3 is equal to 96. So that the area is equal to the square root of 96. And if we take the square root of 96, we get 9.8 meters square. Okay. So this is simply how to use the Heron's formula to calculate the area of a triangle. If you like the video, leave a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.